G'day, my name's Troy. I don't think I'm on the program. No one knows I'm really up here. So you've all got to be really quiet and don't tell anyone. I've snuck on here. This song, it's called Heartbeat. It's all about finding yourself. I know it's deep, but that's what it's about. Listen to the heartbeat pumping through that chest. No, you ought to listen to the beast, 'cause it just knows best. There's some good vibrations through the skin and the bones, waiting on somebody else to get your head back home. Manipulation of the body and soul. Years of constant pressure seems to take its toll. So listen to the heartbeat pumping through that chest. You know you ought to listen to the beast, 'cause it just knows best. Oh, and yes, I know I gotta get that strength just to carry on. And I've been making up my mind just for far too long. And I miss you, babe, but the road over here was too long. But now I know, how far this old body can go. Oh, full-blown chatter, smell of OP and rum, biting down on tops of things that make you rattle and hum. Going by in a boat, don't you soak when you're running low. You got 24 hours in and 48 to go. And yes, I know I gotta get that strength just to carry on. And I've been making up my mind just for far too long. And I miss you, babe, but the road over here was too long. And now I know just how far this old body can go. Oh, it's like a ship setting sail in heavy water. You gotta get back home. I'm wearing concrete boots that make swimming harder. You gotta get back home. Oh, and ship set and sail in heavy water. You gotta help yourself. You gotta help yourself. You gotta get back home. 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 Oh, and yes, I know. And I gotta find that strength just to carry on. I've been making up my mind just for far too long. And I miss you, girl, but the road over here was too long. and now I know just how far this old bird